Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset Rheem Tankless water heater, full reset button and error code guide. So method first, reset using the control panel. Turn off all water faucet, then press the on off button on the Rheem remote or control panel. Then wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then press the on off button again to restart the unit. Open a hot water faucet and check if the error code is cleared. Second method is hard reset. Unplug the water heater or turn off its breaker, then wait to 30 to 60 seconds. Restore power to the unit. Run hot water and check if the heater operates normally. Third method is internal reset button. Turn off power to the water heater, then remove the front cover. Locate the small reset button on the remote control, then press and hold it for a few seconds. Reinstall the cover and restore power. Thanks for watching.